Tache? If so, join me on my latest tour of Suite 308 in 760 Tache, located in St. Boniface. Let's check it out. So one of the things I love about this unit is its size. We have 971 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 1 full bathroom. If you're looking for something that is zero maintenance, that fits the apartment condo lifestyle, but you don't want to compromise and give up space, this is the unit for you. So let's get started with this kitchen right here. It's practical, it's spacious, plenty of countertop prep space, updated appliances, maple cabinetry. It all fits in the unit so perfectly. It creates a great flow, which means this is a great spot for entertaining. Yeah, make your way through that rec space and let's go check out this great size deck. Now, this area is great. You can sit outside, enjoy your morning coffee. There's room for your future barbecue. And one thing that I love is that there's electrical access on the deck as well. Plug in your favorite electronics, keep that music going all day long, and even on those cooler nights or for when it's raining, we've got you conveniently covered from up top as well. Let's make our way through the bathroom now. We're gonna be greeted with a walk-through closet, a secondary bedroom, but what I want you guys to see is this master bedroom. What a size here to fit a king-size bed, all of your furniture. This is just a fantastic space. So this condo unit features a great number of amenities such as a gym, storage, and underground parking, but one of my favorite things is this view. You get a complete 360 panorama of the downtown skyline and a great view of the Canadian Rights Museum. So hey, if you're looking for a great unit that features tons of space, security, and nearby all the amenities, Suite 308 at 760 Tache could be for you. Just give me, Sandeep Singh with Royal LePage Top Producers, a call or text at any time.